Hi, I'm Lindsay Autry. Today we find ourselves more than a half year into the COVID-19 pandemic, a time when millions of families are struggling to put a healthy meal on the table. Nonprofit organizations, local, state, and federal governments have done a tremendous job in stepping up to the plate and providing food for millions of families in need. Unfortunately, a lot of these families that are benefiting from these resources lack the information needed to create a healthy and nutritious meal, which is making a lot of this food go to waste. Today, in honor of World Food Day, I'm teaming up with Common Threads to raise awareness for health and nutrition during COVID-19. You can support families in need through Common Threads. A $25 donation will purchase groceries for a family of 4 for 2 meals. A $500 donation will fully fund a virtual cooking and nutrition class. You can find out more information or make a donation at commonthreads.org. Today, I'm going to be making an egg salad toast using ingredients that are commonly found in a food pantry box. We've got some eggs, some iceberg lettuce, and some celery, as well as a few other vegetables that are easily found. The first thing we're going to do is we've taken some hard-boiled eggs and we've actually mashed them up with a fork. I find that that's kind of the easiest way to make a consistent crumbled egg for an egg salad. So we're just going to get that into a mixing bowl. And I've got some mayonnaise. You could easily use Greek yogurt if you wanted to make a little bit of a lighter version. And then we're also going to use a couple tablespoons of mustard. You could use Dijon, regular yellow mustard is delicious, some fancy horseradish mustard, really anything that you like. So for some texture, we've chopped up some of the celery that was in the food pantry box, and I like some pickles in mine, so I've chopped up some regular dill pickles. And we're just gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to this and mix it all up. And then for our garnishes, to give it some crunch and texture and make it really colorful and beautiful, we've shredded up some iceberg lettuce. And to that, I've taken some radishes that I've just cut into little matchsticks. And we're gonna add a little bit of hot sauce, because hot sauce makes everything taste good. Any kind of hot sauce works. And we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna set that aside. And now I've got a couple pieces of toast. I'm using sourdough. You could use any type of sliced bread. And we're just gonna add our egg salad right on top of our toast and just spread that out to evenly cover it. And then we've got our shredded iceberg that we've mixed with our radishes and our hot sauce. And we're just gonna give that a quick toss and put it right on top of our toast. And then I've taken some cherry tomatoes that I've just sliced in half, as well as some cucumbers that we sliced really thin. And we're just gonna put those right on top as well. And then the last piece is we're gonna use the really tender leaves from the inside of the celery that I think a lot of times people overlook. So we've got a couple of these leaves that we're gonna put right on top. We're just gonna finish it with a bit more salt. And there you have your egg salad toast.